They have the best training, the best shops, and it all comes together in some of the biggest locations in the country. Watch it happen on Mastering the Craft. The KML region has over a dozen training centers to train tens of thousands of UBC members year-round. We're here today specifically at the Atlantic Carpenters Training Center in Baltimore, Maryland, which along with their other site in Upper Marlboro, specifically specializes in training of trade show construction. Hey, Bob.
Hey, Jeff. How you been?
Great, thanks so much for having us.
Sure.
You know, I've been to many trade shows over the years, so this is where the members are actually trained?
Yes. Here in this region, we have Local 491. It's trade show specific. And we do trade show specific training in these two training centers for our contractors here. We have a big market for the trade show in the Baltimore and DC area.
So why are these two facilities the ones that everybody's coming to?
Well, I think some of the quality comes from the training itself. You know, the more trained a member is, the more quality you're going to get. And I think that's what separates us from our competition.
These trade shows happen in a very expeditious manner. I mean, they come up and they come down. All the moving pieces in the trade show world have a certain skill set, and that's something that we stress to our apprentice.
So we're here with Stacy, a 3-year apprentice. So what are you most proud of?
There is not a lot of women in the trade show, so it's to see the women get out there and do, you know, to work hard, and I'm a foreman, so that's something I'm very proud of.
We all go to the show floor with a philosophy that the show must go on, and it will, and it always does, open on time.
You've seen interactive booths at trade shows all across the country. Where do they get built? How about a 325,000 square foot facility? We're here with Joe at the Art Guild with over 75 members from the Mill Cabinet Local 252. Thanks for having me, Joe.
My pleasure.
So what do we got here?
Currently at this shop we have 75 members. These mill cabinet workers are doing work for trade shows. They also do work for museums. Right now they're getting ready to wrap up a booth, take it down and have it shipped out to countrywide to wherever the trade show is.
How does it all work and come together?
So we'll receive a design from the customer. When we get that and it goes into a graphic production, they put graphics on everything, and if we put details on all the exhibits that they built in the shop. All the work's done in this side of the shop. Right now the shop was operating at 65 men. With the experience we have in the shop and the number of foremen that we elevate up, we're able to handle that workload in the building. All these products will get laid out, they'll get mounted here, and once they're done, they'll get packaged up.
Now, I can't even imagine how you would transport something like this. You got really expensive state-of-the-art stuff. How do you get this to the trade show in one piece?
Well, believe it or not, this is a perfect question you asked. Right behind you, we'll actually build custom crates. So when they ship, they stand up and they stay protected to stay off the wall and not hit any of the products. It's going to be guaranteed to be out at that show.
If you want to see the results of a skilled workforce on display, there's no better place than a massive trade show. You may recall we met Stacy Arias at the training facility. She's here today and playing a key role in the setup of this expo. Let's go meet with her. Hey, Stacy.
Hello.
Great to see you.
Good to see you too.
So I hear you're working in the boneyard.
Yes, this is the boneyard. The boneyard is where we keep all of our equipment for the show. So we unload it from the trucks and we bring it straight to the boneyard. We are, from start to finish, we're the first ones here, we're the last ones to leave. We start unloading the trucks and then we disperse it throughout the building for the show.
This is a massive show. It's our biggest show by far of the year. We have on the general contractor, which is GES, there's 253 carpenters, so it's extra work to get the call filled, but we go to other locals and we go to friends and family and we get it filled.
This is a perfect example of everything coming together. Everything we saw at the training center, the pipe and drape, carpeting, it's just something else to see it now here on location. Over here we have the booths. To think about the planning and preparation to get this material here, to assemble it, put it together, be ready for the event, and then to break it all down. A lot happens here in just a week. So you're on a super tight deadline. You got to get these booths set up, have safety involved, productivity, and then in a matter of 24 hours, you have to break it all down. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's an interesting industry where it's kind of a clean slate. We come in, we build, and then all of a sudden the show is over and we tear down. So safety is even up more importance there because a ton of people that are coming through, whether it be exhibitors, clients, carpenters, other unions, and really that tear down is quick. It's like a 24-hour teardown, literally.
Fantastic. Well, this has been a great experience. Thanks so much for your time.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
I'm excited to finally see one of these shows set up. So today, we're at the Gaylord National Convention Center to meet Bob Tarby, the trade show's director. Let's check it out. Hey, Bob.
Jeff.
Thanks so much for having us.
Good to see you again.
Great. So when did you guys get here? Earlier the week?
We actually started here at 4 a.m. this morning, and here it is almost 2 o'clock. Exhibitors are coming in, and we're ready for the exhibitors.
No, I recently visited and toured the Art Guild. Is there anything here from the Art Guild?
Actually, I identified one exhibit here, Pitney Bowes, which is right here, is a customer of Art Guild, and they shipped their exhibit here, and it's going to be set up shortly.
No matter the size, all trade shows have safety concerns, coordination, specific measurements, and above all else, deadlines. This work was done this morning, and here exhibitors are readying their booths for the show to start tomorrow.
The trade show industry has been treated as a specialty, and they treat them just that, special, and they're not truly special. It's an industry. That's what the trade show does for us. It creates opportunities for our members to go to work. It provides great long-term careers for our members. And it puts our association partners in a much better place when it comes to the industry.
I'm here with Ted Hoffman, council representative from KML. So Ted, I've been to many different conventions and expos around the country. How many are installed by union carpenters?
Approximately 90 to 95% of the trade show and convention work in this area. On those jobs alone, we place approximately 500 carpenters on those jobs. And we're able to do it, we're able to maintain the safety and get the jobs done on time.
At 4 a.m., this place looked like this, and now it looks like this. That's a wrap on 3 states ending here at an incredible trade show. We'd like to thank our union carpenters and contractors for their time and efforts. We'd also like to thank you, the viewers, and we'll see you next time on Mastering the Craft.